Hello everyone, welcome back. If the Safari, credit history and website data is grayed out on your iPhone and iPad in iOS 15, 16, 17, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now what we have to do, we have to go back to settings. Here we are going to tap on screen time and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Under content and privacy restrictions, we are going to tap on content restrictions. Here we have to slightly scroll, and under web content we are going to tap on web content. Here you will see the three options: unrestricted access, limited adult, allow website only. We are going to select the first one. After selecting the first one, we have to go back to settings, tap on Safari, and your problem will be fixed. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.